Alright guys, we're going to do a video on showing you how to sand, and we're just going to do an old Next frame that I have just to show you how to sand and everything. Alright, first thing you need is a sander and sandpaper. Alright, this is one of a little cheap one. This is a high performance one you'd use on like cars or something big. And what you want to do, you want to always have safety glasses on whenever you're doing this, but it doesn't, I don't use them. Alright. I'm going to use this little one because it's harder to get in small places. We're going to do a new one, but this is one that kind of just got done sanding. I'm still working on it, but I'm going to start on a fresh one for you. Alright, let's start. I'm going to use the high performance one for the big area. Alright guys, I'm not going to frame this or sand this whole frame because it might be a little long, but you get the process. And if you guys want a part 2 of me sanding the whole thing, just comment. And yeah, I'll have a lot more videos coming out on like dirt bikes and motorized stuff and how to fix them. This winter, later on, I'll be fixing this, a little project I got. Doesn't really run. I'm going to rebuild the motor and everything. Yeah, that's that. Alright, see you guys.